Good morning, everyone. Good morning, guys. How are you doing today? Good morning, good morning. How's your morning so far? I hope you're doing, guys, so good. Well, let's talk about something, because I guess I need to talk about this. So yesterday I was waiting for short, exactly what happened during PM session. And you know what I hate the most? Because I'm trying to force myself to trade simply because I want to execute on stream. And of course, this leads to stupid trades, to losses. Let's make a rule right now. We're going to wait for A+ setup only. We're not going to trade BS. We're going to trade only high quality setups. We're not going to care about take a trade. We're going to care about quality of setup. That's rule that's starting today. We don't need to take trades every single day because I felt like I need to trade on stream every single day. I still feel like this, guys. So if no A+ setup presented, we don't trade. Because I feel like I forced myself to trade. And yesterday I did this. I didn't want too long. I was looking for the trace one down all morning. And instead I just took a trade simply because I felt I have to do this. So starting today, we're going to wait for only high quality setups. And that's it. If no A+ setup, we don't trade. Yeah, yesterday my friends, I was talking with them about this. They said just buy evaluations to trade BS. I was like, yeah, that's smart. So maybe we need to have like trash account to trade garbage. Because guys, you know, I have some evaluation accounts. You know, I hate to like take like really BS setups. But yeah, I have some evals now. We can do like something like that. So if it's going to be really BS, we can take this on evaluation. But I'm just trying to trade not evaluation, funded accounts only. So starting today, we're going to wait for high quality setups. Maybe if it's going to be BS, we're going to take this on evaluation. Only BS is bullshit. So it's our new rule. We don't need to trade garbage. That's the most important part. And I need to stop forcing myself to trade at least something on stream. If nothing presented here, we don't trade. It's best rule ever. Because I feel like I'm just destroy my discipline with this. Because I know, like, if I wasn't on stream, of course I did not take this trade. BS equals bullshit. So yesterday I was looking for short. Instead I was about to finish. I was like, I need to play something, blah, blah, blah. And I'm going to just take something garbage setup. So starting today, let's close this idea. We're going to wait for high quality setups because I need to show example of discipline, not like chasing the price. That's the most important part. Well, let's focus right now. Let's do top-down analysis. First, I believe we're going higher on yesterday in NQ. So yesterday was, guys, it's just so funny because yesterday I was waiting for the drop to this daily volume imbalance too long. And instead I was trying to long here, here. Of course I stopped out, but I entered short. My average was at 69.99, 91. And I closed somewhere here, you know. Yeah, this night, actually not this night, yesterday at 4 p.m. we dropped to the daily volume imbalance, which is absolutely amazing. So, which makes me feel like, okay, I'm ready to long. I feel more better with longs than I felt yesterday. Sorry, guys. So today I'm looking for a continuation higher. I would like to see we taking out early order block. I would like to see we going toward previous weekly high, which was absolutely obvious targets from the very beginning. Perform pixel optimize image sensor. 1 second, I'm going to turn off size. Let me close you. Okay. You see me well, right? Because I see notification on my camera right now. All right. So I'm looking for condition higher on both ES and NQ. So what can happen? We can get minor retracement down. I don't even expect to get 50% just yet. Then continuation higher. So let's see how far I would like to see retracement down. So I may actually wait for silver bullet, I guess. We have potential order block. It's not order block yet, but we have potential one. So my idea will be maybe after like 10. Don't know yet. But after 10, if it's going to create 4-hour order block, I will wait for retracement down just to touch this level. And longs from there to aim for previous weekly high. Maybe something like this, guys. Yeah, I like this idea. Also, I like continuation higher simply because ES way above monthly open and Q below this level. We will take monthly open again. And not again, we will test this level today. What else I have? Let me put projections right now. Okay guys, let's pull projections to see how far we can go today. So our idea is to use the very last move down before reversal, right? I'm going to switch on 5-minute chart to find smaller leg. So the very last move down before reversal here, see? Swing high, swing low formed. We're going to pull projection. Same for NQ, exactly same projections. So technically my idea is valid. Look how forced in deviation right next to previous monthly high. Maybe something like this on both ES and NQ. Retracement down, continuation higher. So my final TP on NQ is going to be forced in deviation. Okay, let me read the chart looking for long. Me too. Suspension block. I still don't know what it is. I'm doing great. Thank you for asking. So yeah, manipulation down to long, same idea. If it's ES touches 69.74, I will try to long 74. Yeah, somewhere there between 82 and 75. Next. Good morning. If we will do gold right now, sweep all-time high. Hey, maybe today. How about gold? We're gonna do gold right now. Doctor appointment was just okay. It was like annual checkup, but I was waiting for this appointment more than 2 months. So I came back home. It was just huge traffic when I was driving. I came back home around like 1 p.m. I posted on Twitter that I would like to short. That's what I did because I know like it didn't make any sense to steam anymore at 1. After 1, at 1:30. Well, that's my idea on indices today. Retracement down for continuation higher. NQ weekly volume balance. Let me see where is this level. Yeah, look at this. It's right at forced standard deviation. Exactly. We got good report today. So let's see if it's going to retrace. We will try to long. Also, let's do analysis for other markets. Maybe we don't need to trade ES or NQ today. We might trade something else. Here's gold. My draw remains higher, but remember we discussed this yesterday. We want to see the retracement down to long. So far price just inside consolidation, which is absolutely ugly. But guys, let's do quick lesson. You know, like everything starts with price delivery. Everything starts with consolidation, right? After consolidation, what we expect to get, guys? Who can help me with this? Who knows what we expect to get after we got consolidation? What usually comes right after this? Expansion, exactly. Expansion. What comes after expansion? Who knows? So you guys, my drawings are just ugly, but let's talk about this. It's important to talk about this. After expansion, we can see either a retracement or a reversal. Who can help me when we can anticipate retracement, where we can anticipate reversal? Who knows? At what point we will say, that's potential reversal? At what point we will say, it's retracement here for continuation higher? What should happen for this? For example, can we expect this reversal? Of course. Why not? Can we expect retracement down? Of course, why not? We must take liquidity level. Exactly right. We must take external range liquidity. Right? External range liquidity. We must hit high time frame level, right? So if this happened over here, we hit external range liquidity, we hit high time frame level, whatever. We anticipate to get a reversal. If nothing happened, liquidity remains high, we anticipate to get retracement, continuation higher. Well, my next question for you. Can we see consolidation after expansion? Can we see consolidation after expansion? Yes, no? Yeah, we can. This means after we got consolidation, expansion, another consolidation, we expect to get what? Another expansion, right? So how we can trade this? Because I guess it's an important question. I'm going to share the trick with you guys, my tip. So normally, once price leaves consolidation phase and goes to expansion phase, if I can say so, normally price trying to retrace to 50% of this consolidation first. Let me do like this. I'm going to show you something. Maybe you didn't know about this. Price trying to retrace to... Oops, I deleted one. Price trying to retrace to 50% of this consolidation, and after this we expect to get continuation, expansion, not expansion. But what should happen at 50%? Normally, we would like to see order block over here at 50%. Price normally retrace to 50% of consolidation and test order block there. And at this point, we can try to long this, be stop loss below consolidation, and we can start aiming for high time frame level. So price normally trying to retrace to 50% of original consolidation here, and we want to find OB there. I don't know if you know about this or you didn't know about this, but that's my tip for you. So what is going on here? We have consolidation, we have an attempt to get expansion. So what we can see here, we can see 50% of consolidation retest, right? So what we have here, we can use this one by the way, we can use just single candle, whatever. We have order block. And so far, price tested this order block at 50% of this consolidation. So you want to see price testing 50% of original consolidation. So we got attempt to expand, price retracing down to 50% and holding 50%. It's holding order block, continuation higher. So what this means? If today price wants to expand, it will expand from this level, not lower. Not lower than the 50 minute threshold. I'm not sure if you knew about this or it's something new for you guys right now. But yeah, here we go. We have order block at 50% of this consolidation. So far we wigged down. It didn't close below 50% of this order block. So what we expect to get? Potential continuation, right? So, or if price is going to break below 50%, we still inside consolidation. Nothing happened yet. So we still want to wait for expansion, a retracement down to 50% of consolidation, right? It's in general, guys. Yes, overall. That's what I'm trying to show you right now on gold. So what is going on gold right now? We have OB, price trying to respect this order block. Let's see if we're going to get 30-minute sweep on gold after market open. We will try to long. Chris, which instrument? NQES gold? I'm not sure, guys, Chris, if you're talking about gold, yes, thank you, but I'm bullish on gold. Just saying. Perfect confirmation for us is going to be closure above this level. Why? Because if you're going to open for a chart, we will see this picture. Potential sweep, 15-minute OB. If it's going to close above this level, we can look for potential continuation higher. We have 2 confirmation for this. Right? So my bias for gold, that's why I was trying to explain you stuff about consolidation, expansion, consolidation. We have taken... No, it was just example. It was just example on how it goes, like how to understand if it's reversal or retracement. That's what I was saying. It's not about like current price action. So what I expect to get here, guys, here's the hourly chart. Why open hourly chart? Don't remember. I had to open for a chart. So as you can see, price kind of bullish still. So can I say I see confirmation for short, for big drop? Not yet. Not yet. But if it's going to offer, I'm just thinking where I would like to see lower. I guess I will say I will be totally fine with short. If hourly candle, I mean at 10 a.m., will close below this level. Only at this point I will say, okay, let's try to short. So let's take a note because I can forget. I'm going to make a note here. It's for us to trade silver bullet. If 1 hour candle closes below, short. It's for me because I can forget. Hello guys, good morning who just joined. Good morning who just joined. As long as we hold in this level, I would like to look for longs, for continuation higher. Dasha, one question. If I have only one 50k valuation, how many trades a day? Oh, trust me, 1 trade a day. Like, your goal is to trade just once a day, seriously. So that's for gold. I'm still bullish. If on 15-minute chart we see order block, we can look for longs. But ideal and lower time frame to reduce our stop loss, because our stop loss, if it's going to close, I don't know yet. 70 points. I mean, I would say 250. If you just start in your 50k, try to risk 250 a day, not per trade, not per day. Here's the silver, guys. Let's check silver. It's just so slow market maker by model right now on hourly chart. Definitely drawn liquidity higher. We have nice liquidity here. We have nice internal liquidity here. So really hard to be bearish on silver, to be honest. I may anticipate retracement down, but overall bullish as well. Nothing changed. Do you have any Lucid Black accounts for giveaway? For giveaway, not sure, but personally, I have evaluations. I got yesterday evaluations, Black evaluations. I can do maybe next week Lucid Black. Yeah, I can try to do this next week. Because I have some pro accounts and I have flex. Some flex. Tomorrow I might do flex. Flex is better than black in my humble opinion. Hello guys, welcome. So on indices same, kind of bullish, but would like to see retracement down. I'm not sure if I'm asking too much, guys, but here's my, how big between New York midnight open and here. So here's my retracement area. I would like to see the coins there. So let's see how it goes. It's my plan for now. Same on NQ. So that's my plan, just for now. So it's basically the range between this week liquidity level and New York midnight open. The range between this internal liquidity level and New York midnight open on both yes and NQ. Same idea. All right. But we have taken liquidity of previous day high, yes, and Q. Well, let me show you something. Where is my pointer? Let's ignore right now previous daily high and whatever. Doesn't it look like transition from first stage to second stage of market maker buy model right now on NQ? On ES as well. On ES is basically second stage. But doesn't it look like transition from first to second stage on NQ now? We're gonna find out in 34 minutes. But actually, let me do like that. If it's going to close above this level, what's the point to be bearish? To even think about short. Did you change? Nope. What do you mean? Maybe. Something like this. Let me bring my water, guys. Well, good morning, good morning. TP hit? I mean, you fast enough. What about gold? Just discuss this. We see trades. I mean, that's a great idea, but I need to ask him first. I need to ask him first. Not sure he wants to do this. By the way, guys, did you see I'm doing giveaway right now on my Twitter? If you want to, like, extra entry for giveaway, guys, here's a link for another giveaway. I'm doing two today because winners for this Twitter giveaway is going to be announced today at 4 p.m. So, let's see. Let me delete this error because I would like to keep my chart clean. But yeah, the trades went 8 for longs. Let's see how it goes. Okay. Oh, look at the Euro futures. We actually dropped for a value gap. I mean, I like it. Why delete this? Well, so far so good on Euro futures. Let's see what kind of reaction we're going to get from this fair value gap. That's exactly what I wanted yesterday. We inside OT, nice. Ideally, 2 plans for Euro futures, guys. 6E. My plan, if it's going to fail to offer potential sweep, I would like to see price testing 50% of this hourly wick and 5-minute OB after test of this 50% of hourly wick. Long. Maybe. Let me set alert here. Okay, we're gonna see. Maybe we're going to trade euro today. Hourly candle. Which one? Yeah, we took this. Yeah, let's see. I like it so far. My plan right now will be if it's going to retrace. I don't know yet because I cannot see the future. But if it's going to retrace to 50% and will stay above this level with 5-minute OB, I might try to long. You know, I need to have 5-minute order block. So maybe. Oh, Daniel, I don't expect anything. I cannot long right now simply because we don't have confirmation for long yet. Confirmation for long only here. Closure above this done close candle. We don't have it. We don't have it yet. Well, guys, market is open. I might get to trade silver, like even silver today on my Lucid accounts. Micro silver, of course. 5-minute chart. Apply these indicators to entire layout. Yes, please. I believe on silver if it's going to close below this. Let me see how big range first. Ooh, well. If it's going to close below this level, we can get some retracement down. Exactly same will happen on gold. But on gold, idea remains the same. If it's going to close above 15-minute down close candle, it's bullish. But once again, I cannot long right now. No. We don't want to long. We have potential for our sweep, but it must be confirmed by structure on 15-minute chart. Nothing yet. We don't want to long this. It's just planned right now. Well, market is open. Let's focus right now. Well, not fun. It's going higher, but look at this. This hourly order block. It was TP yesterday in our longs. We're about to test monthly open. Not yet. So let's see if it's going to retrace. Join liquidity higher. I don't mind to see previous weekly high. Huge gap on SPX, right? Let's see. Oh my god. Well, at least we have a plan for this. Did I take liquidity here? Yes, I did. We have another major one higher, right? Oh my god, that's really huge one. We need 25% at least. Yeah. I was long somewhere from here. Yeah, it's fine. It's okay. It's okay, guys. So we need to test this RTH gap. Truly believe in it. You know what I expect to get, I guess? We have major liquidity level on SPX higher. Can we get some sort of retracement down from this area, you know? From where we are right now. I don't want to see major buy side taken without retracement down to this huge RTH gap. I will be fine even like somewhere between like on top of this RTH gap and 25%. That's huge one. That's seriously huge one. Let me see how big range. Oh, 40 points. That's a lot. We need to tap this gap at least a little bit because after open we got immediate straight up. Like we didn't even trade it into this level yet. Okay, not going to be in rush. Let's wait. 50%, I will be a bit more conservative. Ideally 25%. Let me open 2-minute chart on micro, yes, to see what is going on there. Just crazy range. I'm still gonna keep my eyes on gold. And let me... Where's my Euro futures? $6E. Still did not retrace to 50% of hourly week. NQ nice rejection, did not test monthly open. This retracement will be nice. We need to get to OB. We just traded into this order block, not order block, RTH gap. Let's see if it's going to drop to 25%. We don't have 2-minute OB yet to consider this as empty model. Nice reaction from early order block. Yes, would like to see more. Still just touch this. I would like to see more. Three-minute OB, 2-minute OB, it's going to be the same. I forgot to connect accounts. 1 second. Let's see. We trade into RTH gap right now. Just now. Let's open 5-minute chart. Structure on 5-minute chart on ES still bullish. On NQ a bit more bearish. We have nice, it's not SMT, but we have nice rejection from this level here. Liquidity level on 4 chart. Double sweep. We still can get around like 15 points. Let me see. Small, like not perfect risk reward. $13 points from current price level. Yeah, somewhere here. Would like to see the retracement data on both ES and Q. Let's see if we're going to engage or we're just going to wait. I don't mind to engage. Gold is tracing down. As you can see, we don't have 15-minute structure yet. Too long this, but also we cannot short this, you know. Let's try to be patient. It's 9:38, maybe 9:50 macro can offer something, but ideal drop like soon. Let me see how big risk is going to be here. Not worth it, I guess. Yet. But you know, like, would like to see lower now. Main question if we're going to get retracing back to this order block. Trying to connect accounts to trade. Come on, Ninja, faster. Do this faster. So let's see if it's going to retrace here. Just connected my Tradify accounts. Short down to the retracement area probably. So something like this, you know. Just for now. Algo changes? I mean, of course. I believe so. ICT said, like, it doesn't. But I really feel the difference between, between 2022 and 2026. There is difference. So... let's see if it's going to retrace. So basically what I'm waiting for retracement. If it's going to displace, I will try market order short. It's not entry that I'm going to use, but something like this. So 940, ideally to get in trade at 950 or so. It's called... oh, on silver we got exactly what we wanted to see. We got 5-minute closure. Why didn't set alert? But on gold we didn't have this perfect structure yet. So 90 minutes left until this hourly candle. Waiting for this closure. If it's going to be closure below this level, as we highlighted before, it should be nice short, like 40 points around so. Told you gold will drop. I mean, I wouldn't short this, even if you say this. I have a plan for shorts, if it's going to be like that, so I will give it a try. So SPX didn't even hit 25%, it was like one tick away. Didn't retrace the Mentorship Book yet. Don't trap yet. We hit 25% of RTH gap. We need to get minor reaction right now. Please retrace the Mentorship Book, not here. Retrace the Mentorship Book, short down to this retracement area, and Q also above this retracement area right now. So what I would like to get right now, minor retracement up as a reaction. Also, we traded into the Mentorship Book now. Yeah, 50%, and we land 50% of RTH gap lines up with the retracement area. which is nice for us. We will see. I need to see the retracement area here. Maybe it's not going to be 50%. Maybe it's going to be between 25 and 50%. The retracement area for longs here. Nice reaction from 25% so far. Let's see what will happen right now at 25%. Because if it's going to over 5 minute OB, like I don't need to short anymore. It will be enough for longs. I mean, I don't need to see retracement down too long. 5 minute OB will be enough to engage. I'm gonna stay on SPX right now for some time. Nice reaction from the top of this RTH gap. Let's see if it's going to right now close below this black line in 50 seconds. So it's really hard for me to be bearish, but I would like to retracement down to this area. I don't really need to see New York midnight open, but you know, like 50% of this range, yes please. I would say YM and Q and ES and Sync right now, they look exactly the same, which is good, you know. I have YM chart open on my another screen, keeping my eyes on this. Straightaway doesn't work again. I mean, not good news. But at least you said this, not me. It's only 9:48, it's not even 9:50 macro yet, so it's okay, I guess. Yeah, guys, remember I said at the beginning of stream, we're not going to trade every single move we want to trade. We're going to wait for a high quality setup. That's important. Right now, I don't see high quality setup yet. I mean, technically we have one, but SPX I mean, we have right now a quick short to this retracement area setup, but SPX quite strong right now. I would like to see drop right now to 69.84 area, 85. But I'm looking for the move down to see potential retracement up again after this. See this retracement area, both ES and Q failed. Come on, we need to drop there. Gold, nothing yet. I said if our candle closes below this level, 57.9, it's short. Nothing yet. Well, I am dropping, so let me check NQ first. NQ way stronger, by the way. I don't know. Not fan of this yet. I mean, like, looks good, but not fan of overall move here. I mean, as YM looks good, it's dropping right now, and NQ looks way more bullish compared to ES and YM. Not best risk reward, yeah, just gonna wait. So technically, just forward testing this, not going to engage. It's low probability setup. It's like C- setup, in my opinion. Why? Because NQ is so bullish right now. I don't see reason to engage. Just going to forward test right now, not going to engage. Not going to trade this. We're here for A+, that's our goal, guys. Forward testing. Just not worth it, you know, yet. We do have SMT right now between gold and silver. Yeah, we have minor SMT between ES and Q. Just forward testing. I don't think it's really worth to try. I just would like to see, let me delete this for now. I just would like to see if it's going to drop to 50% of this RTH gap, which will be nice. On NQ between 325, 300 area, yeah. That's what I would like to see. I call this retracement area for a reason. You know, it's kind of consolidation. At this point, maybe gold is going to be better. Let's see. Gonna check something. So nothing worse to try yet. Nothing. Like absolutely nothing. Guys, click the like while we're waiting for setup. More likes, better setup we're gonna get. Don't be shy, you got my permission to hit the like, subscribe. Don't forget to participate in giveaways, guys. Don't forget to participate in giveaways. Here's the link to participate in giveaway today. Guys, yeah, I'm not on trade, I'm just trying to forward this setup. We inside 950 macro. I'm bullish overall bullish. Click the like, don't be shy. Oh, Frank, don't worry about this. We're all family here. Not wallet anymore. We hit the retracement area. I would like to see more, simply because NQ did not hit this level yet. 6E, on 6E, I would like to see this one. Well, we hit the retracement area on both ES and NQ, nice. Well, yeah, like, interesting move down. All right. Yeah, that's kind of crazy. Drop here. We tested New York midnight open. We tested the retracement area. Let's see if SPX hit 50%. Yeah, we did. So guys, let's see how far we can drop here. So we don't have, obviously, we don't have any reaction yet. But it's gonna be interesting. That's gonna be interesting. Maybe it's going to balance this fair value gap. So that's the bottom of 3-minute liquidity void. I feel just okay about this trade. So we got the test of London high as well. You know what? I'm going to flip my bias, completely flip my bias if on both ES and NQ we're going to close below New York midnight open. I will be interested in drop. Big drop. Still kind of fighting with New York midnight open. So both ES and Q failed to close below New York midnight open, as you can see. Why C minus? Simply because consolidation, you know, like it's kind of slow. And Q looked more bullish in my opinion, comparing like if I want to compare this with ES and YM, and Q was kind of bullish. I was like, kind of. No, thank you. And keep closing. Look how we keep closing inside this retracement area. Nice. But, you know, I like how SPX tested 50% of RTH gap. Almost hit OT. Really nice reaction. So now just we're going to wait if price is going to leave this retracement area and forms order block for us to engage. Or it's going to continue dropping. But guys, shorts, another shorts, is going to be below New York midnight open. Which level I highlighted here? You know, Daniel, the issue is where we closed. The issue how we closed here. See, it's not order block on our chart. It's funny. It failed to offer for our order block on both yes and Q. Which makes me feel like, you know, it's fake one. On 3 or 5 minute chart. It's bearish right now. If the prop firm uses intraday trading stop loss, it's not the issue, I guess. But I'm just so strong right now with drop. Yeah, we completely balanced 3 minute for value gap. Sorry, guys. So we got the closure below New York midnight open. That's actually good. Just, yeah. Click the like, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. Let me switch on gold. still kind of supports my idea. It's still valid potential 50-minute OB, you know? Let me check something. What level would like to see? 17. We have equal highs higher on gold. Less than 10 minutes left on this candle, right? It's fair value gap. You can trade gold on TradingView, guys, or Lucid without any issue. On gold, I'm looking for move toward equal highs. So since like 9 minutes left on this 50-minute candle, I would like to see at least a week up to this equal highs, at least. But let's see if it's going to retrace, so we will try to long. I'm not going to. Today's price action just okay on any market, in my opinion. I cannot say like, okay, it's BS price action. I would say it's pretty much predictable price action. 1 second. Interesting here on we try to stay below New York midnight open. It can actually drop here. Where is our order block? 1 second. Maybe. If it's going to stay below this level, it actually can be another short. Toward like 69.50 area. Hello. Good morning, guys. If you just joined, good morning. How are you doing today? Gonna switch right now on back on ES. Trying to stay below New York midnight open. Solid price action today. Solid. Not yet. Which time frame that is a 3-minute chart? Okay. Let me see where we have. Okay. Gap fill. Oh yeah, that's so nice. Nice drop today. It's just crazy short today, right? This test volume imbalance? Yeah, we did. Daniel, I would like to see lower. You know, we have our order block lower. See, you know, it's like logically move from order block to order block, from fair value gap to fair value gap. Here's the 4-hour order block. We tested this price going to opposite order block. I guess so. No, short C minus was here. This one just was like A, B plus. This one not bad. It's according to a video I shared on my YouTube about New York Midnight Open. Oh my god, such a huge drop. Yeah, like forget about retrace in 2026, guys. Well, yeah, you said like it's a CPI, you didn't know about CPI, you're not going to trade. And like always when I say, it's funny because when I don't plan to trade but I'm sitting like in front of my computer, it's always nice setups. But when I'm like, okay, we're gonna win today, it's always BS. And I trade is BS. No, the trades in 2026, guys. That's key rule. Remember my words. So fucking crazy, guys. One minute left on 15-minute candle. Guys, if you would like to participate in giveaway, here is a link. Guys, quick reminder, Epic's running 80% off right now on all accounts. I'm doing Epic's giveaway today. So person trading 20 Epix funded accounts, no issue. I'm okay with trading drawdown. I trade 50k accounts, so $75 activation fee. So you can, like, if you have 50k accounts, so you can take like $40,000 payout every 8 days. So which is nice. It's really nice, guys. Really nice. Just one entry. Main question if reversal is going to happen, right? Because look, guys, this. They completely balanced RTH gap. So what can happen now? I will not be surprised to see like huge drop towards 50% of this move, entire move up. It's like 70 points on ES. 40 points. Sorry, guys. 40 points on ES. Overall, solid price action today. Euro consolidating right now. No reason to trade this. Gold, let's see if it's going to chase back to fair value gap. Believe we can go higher. You lost your account. Why did you trade today? Consistency rule, of course. So you are not going to have consistency rule on take profit trader funded account, but you're going to have consistency rule on evaluation. You're not going to have consistency rule on select funded accounts. You're not going to have consistency rule on Lucid Flex. You're not going to have consistency rule on funded next. Futures, I believe rapid plan, right? So personally, if you're trying to pick like just one prop firm, try Tradify Select. So you're going to have consistency rule on your evaluation account, but not going to have consistency rule on a funded account. Lucid their site was down yesterday and now. Yeah, notifications. Let me turn off my notifications. Sorry, guys. I didn't know you can hear this. Yeah, I hold Bitcoin, of course. Let's check Bitcoin. We discussed this last week, I guess. So, I kind of not sure how far we can drop. I remember ICT said 25k. I don't want to see there. Like lowest level for me is going to be liquidity level here at like around like 50,000. I'm not sure if it's going to drop to 25k. Like seriously, like no way. I refuse to believe in 25k. 50k maybe. It's a really huge drop. Exactly same drop happened last year. Around same time, we dropped 75%. Since October we dropped already 55%. Oh wow. That's a lot. So definitely we can drop more, but I refuse to believe in 25k. Seriously. Maybe I will buy the dip. Funded next, yes, called Lumia. For funded next futures. Bold plan, by the bold plan is best plan for now, in my opinion, especially for beginners. Funded next futures, bold plan is way to go. You can try this. I used to watch Gamma and something like that, especially I was using TradeZella, if I pronounce this right, to monitor SPY, SPX, options, QQQ. So I'm not sure if it's really helped me, but good stuff to confirm. Funded next? Yeah, guys, bold plan, funded next futures, way to go. You will like it. Highly recommend to try. We still look at it? Yeah, from time to time, you know. I believe in Q going to drop a lot, guys. Let me see. If it's going to retrace to this fair value gap, which I consider as measuring gap, and will stay below this level, guys, I will drop to 25k. Let me see what the level would like to see. 961. Yeah, this one. Maybe. So, NQ also approaching 50% of our week. Hello, Michael. How are you doing today? Huge drop. Did you take it? Nice diversion from hourly order block, which I want to see yesterday. Oh yeah. Nice drop today. I hope you're going to feel better. Today per section, really awesome. This breaker block, right? Yeah. Oh wow, it's keep dropping. Can you please stop? Why so fast? Can you please stop dropping? I'm just asking. Stop it. What are you doing? Completely invalidated my... It's fine, I would say. Going to clean my chart a little bit because I don't need these levels anymore. Look at who I am. It's just... Oh my god. Just straight down. Let me see. I have an SPX another level, which is 30 points lower, guys. 68.86. Maybe it will retrace and it's going to be first short. Approaching 50% of our week. Wow. Look at this PX, we have room to go lower. So my question if it's going to retrace the fair value gap and drop here. This one, you know? Yeah, dropping like... That's crazy. But solid, solid guys, solid. I'm not going to even argue about this. Price way below New York midnight open. That's bearish sign. We have room to go lower. It's not done yet. Oh, wow. I would say yes, going. Let me calculate. It's going to monthly open. Oops. Probably. Of course I can be wrong, but let's see if it's going to happen. Fine, because we were looking for short pretty much at the top. Let's see if it's going to retrace the fair value gap. Because on NQ, I would like to see we going down to 960, 970 area. Another 100 points lower. Who are we to give up? Waiting. First green candle printed. Woohoo! Let's see if it's going to retrace the fair value gap. If it's going to offer this scenario on SPX, and yes, I will I will look for short trade here. I mean, like first short opportunity here. Will be funny. Let's see. V-shape recovery. I mean, it's gonna be crazy if it's going to be V-shape recovery like now. Seriously, it's gonna be crazy. I refuse to believe in this as well. Alan, only yes? Guys, if you just joined, don't forget to participate in giveaway. Yeah, got it. Lines up with 50 potential 50-minute fair value gap and 3-minute fair value gap. Lucid website is down, right? Yeah. Interesting. Interesting. Well, yeah, I kind of anticipated retracement, not reversal. So guys, silver right now at 50 area. Oh, not at 50 area, at 80 area. Why am I saying 50? At 80 area, right? So the inside market maker sell model on silver not going to lie. So I was looking for equal highs on gold. Probably I'm just going to say not for now, just yet. So we have low resistance to downside on silver. Maybe it's... I'm perfectly fine to short gold below levels I mentioned before. You know, let me show you 1 second. Let me switch on gold real quick. I'm gonna compare right now. We got 3-minute OB. Yeah, short here should be wallet zone. Once again, you can short gold or micro gold on TradingView or Lucid. Yeah, I don't use paper trading, so if I will try on... I may try to on Lucid Black evaluation accounts because I just got them yesterday. Maybe. But no demo accounts for me. Let me delete for now. I don't need this. Would like to keep my chart clean for now since it's not valid yet. On gold, yeah, my setup is going to be valid here. I highlighted already before. Let's see, I may steam longer today. Since I'm not in a rush. Yeah, it was nice playlist. I didn't have time to upload this to OBS. Thank you so much for playlist. It's so cool. Let's see, I must steam longer today. I'm not in a rush. I don't have any appointments, right? Oh, actually I have call at 12. I have a scheduled call at 12, but it's short call. I might just take a break. Let's see, maybe I'm going to stream longer today. I'm just going to leave for 30 minutes, but I'm going to keep my stream open. Maybe. Maybe. Because I'm not in a rush. Do you want longer stream, guys, today? Because actually I can. I have scheduled call today at between 12 and 12:30. I will leave you alone for 30 minutes, but Steam will be active. Trying to log into my Google right now. Yeah, that's all I have. I have call at 12, from 12 to 12:30. That's pretty much it. You're gonna just watch camera without me. I can put my toy here. Because if nothing during AM session, of course we can get something during PM session. Of course, of course. Okay, guys, let's stream longer today. At least until 12. Put a photo. Yeah, exactly. You're going to talk. You're going to talk with my photo. Yeah, I'm not going to be on Tradify today. I mean, like, I'm not going to be on Tradify anymore. Night session. I'm going to sit here because I have no plans. I only have one scheduled call today at 12. It's going to be quick. I think so. Trying to retrace. Oh, my contract is over. Absolutely in love with Tradify. Absolutely amazing team, guys. Just my contract is over. It was for 6 months. You can talk with my crystal ball. Yeah, that's an idea, by the way. I like it. Also, guys, if you would like to get extra entry, giveaway entry, let me send you link. Because I'm doing giveaway right now on my Twitter. Gold looks interesting. How big stop loss? If I will try gold, it's going to even Lucid Black evaluation accounts. Let me switch right now on gold. Actually, doesn't look good. But trying to respect fair value gap, which I like. Let me calculate risk. If it's going to close below this low, I can put my risk here, like 2 micros probably, to aim for this level. Maybe this one. What do you think, guys, about this? Partial here. But once again, I will trade this on evaluation accounts because it's too late. That's what I like, guys, to try. Lucid Black evals. So let's see if it's going to break this low. So I would like to see invalidation of this bullish run by breaking below the sell side, retest, and I might try this one on my black evals. Lucid Black evaluation accounts. What about yes? That's my plan right now. Break below the sell side. This one. This one. You got it. Maybe. That's what I will take. So my trade idea, if it's going to break this low, I will try to short this short. How do you like my trade idea? Five-minute short, 3-minute short. Yes, looks better. Yeah, definitely. I mean, you got my trade idea. I will give it a try. That's what I'm trying to say. Approaching 3-minute fair value gap. No shorts yet. It's my plan if it's going to break liquidity level. I will try. So my plan, if it's going to break this low, I will be agree with other people on stream that they said it's short. I will agree with this. So far on 2-minute chart that failed to offer OB. On NQ it offered OB. Let me see which one it is. NQ looks bullish right now on 2-minute chart. I like it. ES needs to close above this level as well. Silver is just expensive to trade. Cannot buy gold ES simply because it's not structured for buys. I would like to see fair value gap retest. Let's see if gold is going to break lows to get something. Guys, don't forget to participate in giveaway. Doing Apex accounts for giveaway. Don't forget there are an 80% off. You can get up to 20 accounts. And if you're going to get 50k 20 accounts, you'll be able to take payouts like $40,000 every 8 days. No, still holding this liquidity level. Let's see if on 2-minute chart we can close above. Look at look at NQ. We cannot even like bounce to this fair value gap yet. Activation fee $75. Guys, I'm going to stream longer today to get more trades. Let's see if it's going to bounce towards this area. 3-minute fair value gap. I'm looking for 2-minute OB to form. It just needs to close above this black line. It will offer 2-minute OB. On NQ, it's already offered, which is nice for bullish run. Let's see if it's going to test this fair value gap. SPX did not test 50% of this entire move up that we got since February, beginning of February, yeah. So it's still trying to respect this area here. As you can see, it's not bullish shift in structure yet. We didn't hit this 3-minute fair value gap on NQ, which is kind of annoying. I cannot be bullish on ES. ES doesn't want to provide bullish shift yet. I would try to be bearish still. So yeah, if it's going to respect this fair value gap, not higher, but this fair value gap, it also offered 15-minute fair value gap, nice short area to monthly open, and 50% of this area. So watching. If NQ could take this fair value gap, I wouldn't probably wait for fair value gap on ES. It could be nice for me. We have minor SMT right now. But we tapped to this 15-minute fair value. Let's see. Maybe I don't need to wait for this fair value gap. How big? 20 points. Gold doesn't want to close yet. Just yet. Smart money divergence. We have smart money divergence. So technically NQ created higher high, ES created lower high. At this point you have minor SMT divergence. So I still believe in move lower, guys. I'm not sure like what you think about this. But I would like to see lower. Which time frame is that? Looking for short probably if it's going to close below this level. It's 65 stop loss. Looking for short. Incurious specs in 50-minute fair value gap. It's PX left room to go lower, you know. Yeah, let's see if it's going to break this level. I will like shorts. Don't be in rush, guys. You have a trade idea right now. I have trade idea right now. Da, 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 da. It will be like B plus probably if it's going to close below. I will give them a try. Gold. Let me check gold. Nothing. You know, I don't know if we are going to get short first or not, simply because we didn't close below this level just yet to talk about shorts. But we will see. So we will see. If it's going to close right now below this level, short will be just valid. We don't need to wait for fair value gap. If it's not going to close below this level, maybe we will go to fair value gap first, which is also okay to me, you know. We'll see. I'm not in rush. Ta-da-dum. Let me check gold. Nope, not yet. Yeah, it's my plan, guys. I have two plans right now. Closure below this level, I will try to short. Once again, I will put my stop loss at 50% of fair value gap. Target will be monthly open. If it's going to continue going higher, I will look for exactly the same setup, but already from higher, better price field, you know, like at fair value gap. So far, it's my plan. Let's see if it's going to play out. If not, then okay. Okay, going to this fair value gap. Let's move this right now. We don't need to wait for the closure. Let's see what kind of reaction is going to be from fair value gap. Yeah, 3-5-minute chart, whatever. Nice fair value gap fill. Of course, it's finally happened. Okay, guys, we tapped this into 15-minute fair value gap. We're still below this New York midnight open level. Let's see what kind of reaction we're going to get from 3-minute fair value gap. Guys, if it's going to be just V-shaped reversal, I will say just, how's this possible? But we will see. Give me the opportunity, please. I'm not asking a lot. Just small opportunity. I was good girl, please. Guys, I'm going to stream longer today, so we should get something good. Let's see. Let's see on gold right now. 1 second. Gold kind of looks good to me. Come on. MGC. Here we go. Gold has potential 30-minute sweep. It didn't close, so technically my idea still. Let me see something. Kind of looks good for move higher that I want to see first equal highs here. So annoying to sit flat, not to sit flat, because it's already 11. But once again, guys, I will steam longer today. We will get set up. I feel like it's going to be win. Golden side consolidation, but still respecting the 50-minute candle, which is quite bullish. Giveaway will be at 11:05. Until then, we just wait. Where? I'm looking for sales. I'm just thinking about gold right now. Good structure there. It failed to take this low. I cannot short this. But I'm looking for probably move toward equal highs. Here at 115. It's gonna be... I'm kidding. I'm kidding. Here's the setup. Potential SIP 3-minute OB looks good. I'm looking for... I was looking for short if it's going to break this level. As you can see, failed two times. Let's see. Maybe it wants to break above consolidation high first to take equal highs, and maybe it will offer 15-minute OB. I want to try the trade on Lucid Black accounts. I just bought these accounts yesterday. Let's check silver. Same for silver, you know. We balanced fair value gap here. Yeah, guys, like this team, I'm going to steam longer today. To get set up. I like how on gold 15-minute candle still holding here. So switching on 15-minute chart and hourly chart, we're still trying to stay above 50% of hourly order block. Which is technically good. No, silver is just too expensive to trade. I got black plans. It's 100k accounts. It's like biggest account they have. Like drawdown is a bit like smaller there to risk on silver, because huge range, like with one micro risk on silver is going to be $1,000. You know, kind of like now. Thank you. Set up nothing yet. No, don't short right now. Don't fight with trend. Right now we don't have confirmation for short. Displacement below 3-month fair value can be good short. I kind of like gold still more. It's consolidation, but still. Would like to try gold probably. Be small size. So yeah, let's see. Inversion fair value can be good entry to aim for equal highs. Previous weekly high retest. Potential 50-minute OB reaction. I mean retracement again to this area. So I will flip my bias. So as I said before, initially, like from the very beginning, I flip my bias to bearish on gold if it's going to close below this level. We never closed. Yet. This is why it's kind of tricky to short this. I mean, lots of people keep saying like Dasha short this, but guys, I'm just trying to trust my analysis. I don't see shorts until it hits this level. But let's see if it's going to be inversion. If so, maybe it's worth to try. Potential long. Micro ES. I cannot short gold until it forms, until it closes below 50% of hourly order block. Short possible only here. I mean, once again, I'm not going to argue, like, maybe trend, like, with consolidation, it's not really a trend. But from what I see so far, I wouldn't short only below this level. Guys, if you just joined, I'm going to stream longer today. That's a plan. What is the plan? Displacement from 3-minute fair value gap on yes, I will short. If gold is going to offer 3-minute inversion, bullish inversion fair value gap, I will long. Or gold is going to close below this level. Over here, short, big short coming right after this. Sorry, guys. Da-da-dum. If gold inside consolidation, normally we have good price action on indices. I will post the answer for Twitter giveaway at 4 p.m. today. So giveaway just done on my website, but it's not done on Twitter. So I'm doing basically 2 giveaways today. Let's announce winners for first giveaway. Let's do this fast because we don't want to miss. Let's announce winners for this giveaway, and for Twitter giveaway, I sent link in the chat if you want to participate. Let's pick 3 winners for this giveaway. And back to price action. I will keep my eyes on gold and yes now. If I will see setup while we announce winners, I will let you know. To be honest, okay. Our first winner is you. Are you in the chat with us today? Adel Ahmed. You won Epic's account. On Twitter, guys, I'm doing giveaway of Lucid account. Are you in the chat? Yay, you won. I'm going to send you account after stream. Let's pick another winner. Guys, I'm going to stream longer today. Come on, yes, looks good. Let's do faster. Our second winner, guys. Let's do faster. Come on. You here or not? No? You have 20 more seconds. Please do faster because we're looking for the setup right now. No? Okay, 16 more seconds to say I'm here. 4, 3, 2, 1. Well, next one. Yay, I see you. Let's pick a last one. And on Twitter, guys, I'm going to do giveaway at 4 p.m. Let's do faster, faster, faster. Come on. Do this faster. And our last winner for this giveaway, you still have chance to win giveaway Lucid accounts. Lucid account on my Twitter. Come on, faster. Is he in the chat? Come on! Please! Nope. No? Well, 6 more seconds. Guys, 6 more seconds. Ta-da-dum. No? No? Ah, guys, are you kidding me? Why you participate and leave in the chat? Oh, yeah. I got you. I see you. You won. Okay, guys, switching back to price action. Lucid looks so good right now. Not Lucid, gold. Because I'm looking for trade on gold. Inverted fair value gap. So on gold, I'm going to trade only Lucid Black evaluation accounts, which I got yesterday. And that's it. Yes, nothing yet. Let's see, we got remnant inversion. That's pretty much what I want to see. On yes, displacing by the way above this fair value gap so far, see. So if you want account about your country in the state, at least I cannot give you another account because I'm limited with accounts. I trade yes, gold, sometimes yeah for futures. Silver, but almost never. Bullion logs because I never ever tried them. Are they good? I'm not on any trades on yes or gold yet. Guys, it will be quite crazy. To see V-shape reversal. Earn to trade. I never tried them. If your country in restricted list, I can remove you because probably you will not be able to trade this. And I'm going to pick another winner now. Gold inside consolidation, not fun of this. Guys, I'm trying to pick another winner for Epics. Trade Vic. Are you in the chat? Yeah, you won account. Apex account. So we have 3 winners. Yeah, guys, if you know your country is in this listed list, why you participate in giveaway? You just take in place of someone else who can win and trade this account. Please. Don't do this. I never ever won something in my life as well. Sometimes the best win is just when you don't have any trades. Yeah, thank you so much for, if you know like your country is a listed list, just don't participate. Some people understand this, some people don't. Bullinox accounts because I never traded with them. I mean, I know. If you don't understand consistency rule, guys, here's a link for you. I explain consistency rule in my video on my YouTube. Here's a video about consistency rule, 60%, 40%, whatever. Here's a video about consistency rule. Did SPX hit 50%? Not yet. It's right above this fair value gap. Can I show something? What do you mean? Hit the like, guys. I'm doing giveaway on my Twitter as well. Sorry, guys, like a bit boring session today, but that's why I'm stream longer today. Here's another giveaway, guys, link for Lucid account. If you would like to participate, please follow instructions to participate. Well, not going to touch gold simply because it's consolidating, just up and down, up and down. Yep, not for now. If your country is not in this listed list, you can participate in the Twitter giveaway. So your task is just follow instructions, because I clearly stated you need to download the picture and put your notes on it. And people just commenting without this, just it's bullish, it's bearish. You're not going to win because you don't even want to follow instructions. It's just kind of crazy for me. Did you trade CL? No, I traded CL a long time ago. It's just consolidation on high time frame, weekly chart. I just, not for me. Well, 5-minute chart looks quite bullish comparing to 3-minute chart and 2-minute chart. Yeah, that's what I'm trying to say, guys. Don't chase, because I know myself. I always want to, when I'm not going to lie, when I see big drop or big move higher, I always want to get at least small piece of it. And of course, it always goes bad. Don't chase. If you're not, your model not here, don't trade it. It's not worth it. So far, SPX approaching 50% of this entire drop, but it didn't hit 50%, which I kind of disappointed to see. Let me switch on 5-minute chart. A big range. 40 points. Well. Golden side consolidation. I mean, I don't, when I touch consolidation, it's always good, bad for me. Let me delete levels. I don't want to see what I have on my chart. It always goes bad when I'm trying to trade consolidation. So I have nothing. Let me forget about everything on gold. But yeah, guys, giveaway on Twitter is quite easy if you understand what I trade every single day. PM session, I might just stream longer today. Maybe it's going to just one stream. Flower candle looks bullish, not going to lie. We got the closure above this level here. No, I mean, I mean just for now, it's consolidation. Because I keep my eyes on gold, I'm like, I kind of want to try this, but at the same time, like, it's not really worth it. Look at this fire candle right now. Look at this ejection. It's really bullish ejection. Price cannot close below weekly open. On 5-minute chart, I'm not going to. 5-minute chart looks good for longs. Fair value gap. We got fair value gap retest here. Let me see. 2-minute OB. Actually, we can get to R with this. Yeah, V-shake recovery sounds crazy. It sounded crazy before as well, but... we hit 50% of this move down. I'm still steaming, so I'm not going to leave right now. Trying to be patient and just wait. We're still below New York midnight open, but you know, we have strong reaction from daily volume imbalance right now. I would say we completely feel this volume imbalance, right? Daily chart is ugly, just absolutely ugly on ES. But considering just last 4 candles, let me check 30-minute chart. SPX touched 50% as well. We got the closure. Let me open my Epix account. Still inside the demand fair value gap, you know. Okay, guys, I'm trying to short. Yes. Basically using SPX confirmation. So trying small size right now, just to try. If I'm wrong, that's perfectly fine. I will steam longer to find another setup. Pretty small risk for me. I'd like to take a partial just 1 hour at 50% of the 3-minute order block, mean threshold of order block. So once we break this low, it should go to my TP number 1. We have minor SMT right now. Minor SMT with NQ at these lows. 30-minute sweep over here, 3-minute OB, height from level, 30-minute fair value gap. Strategy I trade. First time it presented this. So what I usually trade, I trade potential sweeps as reaction from 15-minute, 30-minute, or RDP delay. So we have 30-minute fair value gap, we have 30-minute sweep, we have 3-minute OB on both ES and Q. Price keep respect and 3-minute fair value gap here. We're still below New York midnight open. So my first try for the day. $2R is exactly at 50% of 3-minute order block. Also, it's going to be my base hit on this Apex account. Let me actually put 4 markers here. Gold keep rising higher. Look at this. Of course. I would like to see the test of 50% of 3-minute order block right now. Just scalp. Had to enter here, but was too late with entry. Yeah, once I stopped watching gold offering exactly what I want. It's so painful, guys. Yeah, maybe I'm wrong on this one. It's fine, I will try later. I'm going to steam longer today. Gold. What are you doing with me? Going to bring my equal highs higher again. No, I'm going to steam probably until like 12. Then I will take a break. And I'm not going to probably turn off my stream. I'm going to have a call today, scheduled call today. I'm going to come back at 12:30. That's my plan for now. Let's see if I'm wrong or right with this setup. So it's fine, it's fine. I promise to stream PM session. I can just keep trading. So this week it's Wednesday, right? So far, I would say it's quite tricky week in terms of my performance. But it's fine, I guess. I mean, sometimes it's going to be like that, so change the situation. Going to let it run. SMT holding, guys, let me show you something. You see this SMT? Not fan of this, but this setup I trade always, guys. I must follow this setup. Part tricky in terms of price action, we have SMT right now, which I don't like. But this week is just in terms of my performance, not the best one. I'm not trying to find excuses. I mean, sometimes it's going to be like this. Impossible to avoid it, right? Giveaway, I already did one giveaway. If you want to participate in another one, go on my Twitter and participate, because I'm going to announce winners at 4 p.m. today. Let's see how it goes. At least right now, I'm not chasing it based on model I trade. First opportunity. We tapped 50% of an SPX. What do you mean? Like, you need to save this picture and just highlight what you would like to see. Guys, here's the link for giveaway on Twitter. What is Chapa? Okay. Honestly, want to cut at break even here, probably. Let me see. I think I want to cut at break even now, guys. Yeah. We'll wait for another opportunity. Well, I'm going to cut at break even, guys. I will re-enter later. Break even here. Down $3. Not worth it, you know. Wait for another opportunity. Okay, at least break even. Let's wait for another opportunity. Down $3, yeah. Minus $3 for the day. I don't like this SMT right now. Let's wait more. It's because of commission. I was trading Apex. No, going to wait more. It's fine. Because I have plans to steam longer. Yeah, I cut at break even. It's fine. Yeah, you can trade Lucid on TradingView, of course. Let me check gold again. Look at this perfect SMT here. We closed above this. We're about to close above this level. Let's see how we're going to support this SMT right now. SPX. SPX kind of holding 50%, you know. But don't want to enter right now, going to wait. Ta-da-dum, ta-da-dum. Let's wait for another opportunity, guys. I'm going to steam longer today, as I said before. So, when it longs, you know, not fun if it's still below New York midnight open. I'm okay to long if it's going to break above New York midnight open. We still can trade more. Yeah, guys, trading small size. I don't remember, but I was risking like $250 on Epic's account. Or so. I guess so, it was $250. Let's see if you have 50-minute OB. I mean, obviously we don't have it. Well, okay, right now it looks bullish because we got SMT right now, these lows. SPX just needs to displace above 50% to go higher. Let's see what will happen next. It's 2-minute chart. We got the closure above this level. I just was looking for potential like valid low to form. It formed here on NQ. Let me invert chart real quick. Sometimes this helps to see bigger picture, which is funny, but that's true. Honestly, if I'm just better on shorts in guys market, which is funny. Honestly, if I would see this picture, I would probably look for shorts if it's going to offer 3-minute OB here. And yeah, so basically if it's going to, sorry guys, just easier for me. If it's going to close below or above this level, it's actually a nice short or long. It's funny, but that's true, guys. Sometimes I just trying to read this in inversion. Which is funny. I know, guys, if it's only me, but I always better in shorts than longs. Maybe that's me once again, but it's funny, it's funny. Oh yeah, of course. Of course. Of course. Yeah. It's just easier to do shorts, but it's okay. Sometimes you just can inverse the chart and you see better. Okay, guys, so far break even, but looking for another trade. Just need to close. Alt I. Okay. Yeah, still here, still here. Took one. I was trying to short from here. I cut at break even. Waiting for another opportunity. I mean, I like it. It's really helping me a lot. Can you do that? Can you open overnight trade and lose it? What do you mean? I didn't open any. You cannot hold overnight. You can end the position at 6 p.m. And that's it. High time frame candles over here. This helps me a lot to see the market. I mean, I don't need to switch like, okay, I'm 3-minute chart. I'm going to switch on 30-minute chart to see what is going on there. It's really easy to see. Okay, we got sweep. I clearly can see here the structure for the sweep. I'm going to try this. And something like this. I was trying to short from here, right? To aim for this level, which must be 2R based on this sweep. And final TP was here, but I didn't like SMT I cut. I'm down $3, guys, because of commission. $3. Gonna chop because I'm on stream, of course. Come on, market. Please do something. YM interesting, by the way. YM looks on 5-minute chart quite bullish. It was my trade idea. I deleted it already, but let me bring this back to show you. I can't. Where is this trade idea? Disappeared. Okay, whatever. Idea was we got 30-minute sweep, 3-minute OB, short here, 2R is going to be here. I'm okay to enter again, you know. $10 week. What this week means. It looks good. It's interesting because short looks good on NQ. Let's see. If it's going to break this level, I might try again. It's going to border block. SPX still choppy, as you can see here, but rejecting from 50%. And this 3-minute fair value gap I mentioned before. Closure below this level should offer valid high, so basically this means it failed to take this high, it will take this liquidity level at least. But I would like to see 50% of order block here, which it was 2R of regional short. Also, it's min threshold of 3-minute order block. Not in rush, just saying right now. 5-minute chart. Let's see. Let's check. Well, it's choppy. I hope it's not going to be like consolidation until the end of the day. I was trying to short here. I cut at break even. I was looking for move here and new lows day. I cut at break even so far, so looking for another opportunity. This was trade idea. Over here. But I got break even. Yeah, you know, everything possible. So far, I'm not fan of consolidation on gold, on ES. So it is what it is. Yeah, it might be consolidation. I will be perfectly fine. Let's see if nothing's going to happen next 5 minutes. I'm going to just be done for AM session stream. I will take a break and I may come back by PM session. If it's not going to be consolidation. It's consolidation, so yeah. I have video about order blocks on my channel. Okay, 5 more minutes to break consolidation, and if nothing, then done for AM session. I may just, you know, like turn this off and just start another one during PM session. Don't want to like force my camera to work all day. Just one break, quick break. Maybe it's going to be better PM session, you know, everything possible. I'm not in a rush right now. I give it a try, but didn't like this. Cut at break even. Which was, I guess, best decision. On gold, this equal highs on gold. I would like to see them. Well. Guys, if you want to participate in giveaway on my Twitter, here's the link. I still said best, maybe PM session will be nice, you know, like so far, I wouldn't say it's bad, but right now it's starting consolidating, right? Which is probably okay. Just need to let it consolidate a little bit, which is fine. I was born in the 90s, yes. Yes. Why it's important? So guys, my plan, I might just like take a break, at least 1 hour. My idea is, as long as I below New York midnight open, I will not touch longs. Perfectly fine to miss, but that's okay. ...2003. Oh, wow. I'm kid of 90s. Yeah. Maybe it's going to be news for you guys, but I have kids. See? Same one. We're close to each other. So guys, before I leave, I'm not sure if lunch is going to be just okay. You were born in 2011? Oh, you're kidding, right? You kidding, right? I know where you're from. Daniel, it's fine. My husband was born in 84. He's old. You can, as many as you want. You can use code. 79. Yeah. Old guys. Well, guys, let's take a break. 70. That's fine. My mom was born 76, by the way. That's 72. I'm in 90s. My husband was born in 84. So guys, before I finish, Epic's running 80% off, and you can get up to 20 accounts, $75 activation fee. So you can take payouts every 8 days. If you have 20 accounts, 50K accounts, you can take $40,000 every 8 days. So technically, ideal like $8,000 at least a month, which is nice, by the way. Lucid running 50% off for new users. You can with Lucid and Tradify you can trade micro gold, and with Lucid you can trade micro silver as well. So also I prefer, if you're looking for Tradify account, I prefer select evaluation, so you can get 40% off on 150K accounts now, which is also amazing deal. So guys, if you're looking for prop firm, you can try Tradify. Select plan is best option. Lucid, if you're new, with Lucid 50% off for new users. If you're new user, you can get 50% off on Black, Flex, Pro accounts. Any accounts, because it's for new users. If you're like existing users, you can get 40% off. Video session. And yeah, for Tradify, 150K select plan, 40% off, guys. So I will leave you for maybe 1 hour, maybe 2. It depends, guys. Maybe it's going to be as lunch. I'm not going to trade at all. I'm just going to turn off my computer. So guys, I'm looking for move down to 69.49 to the test to offer 2R. It was my original TP. It never hit original stop loss, but instead I cut at break even, which is perfectly fine. So going to take a break. You got my plan. I'm looking only for this one. On gold, I'm looking for move towards equal highs here. And that's pretty much it. Guys, wish you good luck. Let's see if it's going to hit this level. Will not be disappointed. Just let's see if it's going to hit this level. I would say today's price action quite a good one. Like really like it. Pretty much tradable. And even this setup was tradable. Like, I mean, like I just cut at break even because I felt like it's wrong time to trade this. I technically could hold this. So guys, wish you good luck. I hope to see you tomorrow, not today, but if not, then tomorrow, because I'm not sure if lunch is going to be good. If good, I will jump on Steam again. If it's going to be just consolidation, I don't see reason. So guys, see you soon. Wish you good luck. Let's see if it's going to offer 2R based on setup I trade every single day. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Of course, this shit is dropping right now because market makers saw my break even. Yeah. Whatever. Guys, love you. Thank you so much. Appreciate your support. Look at this, guys. It's going to hit TP because I'm going to leave the stream. Of course. Of course. So, guys, see you soon. Love you. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for likes. Bye, everyone.